Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet the Diamond Painting Junkie, and I have another diamond art unboxing to show y'all. This one, I think it is sold out. I'm pretty sure it's sold out, but they should be getting some more in pretty soon. So, what is it? Well, let me show you. It is, and let me butcher this real good. This is called the Hoot Chapeau Rouge. I call it the lady at the big black hat. I don't know. But anyway, thought she was pretty neat. And as you can see, she is a full square drill with one AB. And I am so excited about that because I have never done a diamond painting with any ABs. So this is going to be my first. She is a 41 by 41 centimeter. And I've seen others do it. So I know what she's going to look like when she's done. And I am excited for it. I do really like this one. So I'm going to pause and I'm going to open her up and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, I'm back. So, if you've seen my video I did about Princess Mononoke, you know that towards the end of the video, I was just like done editing. I was just going to power through, which is what I did. So I'm kind of like that on this one because, y'all, I am not good at scripts and I am not good with trying to be exact because that just ain't me. So here it is. This one has got 17 colors. And like I said, one AB. And I am so excited about the AB. As far as the symbols, they're pretty normal. So, nothing weird standing out to me. And again, the plastic on this is pretty thick. It's not that flimsy crap. The drill field, my camera will zoom in. It's very good, very, what is the word I'm looking for? Clear. Very clear. So, I can already see there's going to be a lot of color blocking. So, I'm not real good with the multi-placers yet. I've still pretty much been doing it one drill at a time. So, I guess this would be a good chance for me to practice. Okay, so I did open these drills up because I wanted to see what the AB was. And it's this one. Maybe my phone. Yeah, there it goes. Those are really pretty. So I'm very excited about these. You know, it's the little things. So I was looking on the canvas and I thought, well, if I was an AB drill, where am I going to go? Well, they're in her earrings. So that's where the ABs are. It's just her earrings. So that's going to be really, really cute. Okay. So anyway, and I know I'm kind of jumping around here because I hate editing and I've done this like 3 times already and I've just forgotten where I'm at. So just bear with me until I can get the hang of all of this. So here is your key. And again, there's the picture of what she's going to look like when done. And there is your color list. Like I said, it's 17 colors, 1 AB. And I love when they put these in here. I've not gotten very many diamond paintings that even have this separate sheet. So when I do get one, I get excited. You know, it's the little things. This also came with the opaque paper, the white paper, which is truly good because most of the diamond paintings I've done that has had this plastic, I usually just take the plastic completely off. I have purchased some of those, what is it called? The wax paper squares from Amazon. And I usually just kind of put my little squares on there. And that's how I diamond paint, is I do section by section. If I were to sit here and try to just do color by color, I don't know. I would just be just aggravated. So I usually do section by section by section. So to me, that's just easier. But this is like way more than enough than what anybody would need for this painting. So mostly I'll probably either save this or, you know, cut it up into squares. Also, I guess I ought to show you the kit. Okay, so the kit is your basic Diamond Art Club kit. It's the clear tray with the spout, a few baggies. There's a lot more baggies in this one than there was in the last one that I showed. You got your two heart-shaped wax. You've got your blue applicator pen. And this kit actually came with a, see if you can tell, I think it's a 4-placer. Which, there again, practice. You get your little pen squishy. And the good set of the metal tweezers that are pointed. So, basically, it's just a standard Diamond Art Club kit. So, anyway, sorry that this video is sort of like all over the place. It's kind of like a train wreck. But I hate stopping, starting, editing, all of that. I'm just go forward, go straight. There it is. Anyway, so this one's going to be fun. It really is. And I do have a couple more unbaggings. They're not from Diamond Art Club, but I do have a couple more unbaggings to do in another video. So hopefully, if you would like to see more of my videos, you'll subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Hit the bell so that you'll know when I do post a video. And until next time, see y'all later.